Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can easily sign up for the Binance Wallet app and create an account for yourself. It's very easy and can be done just in few steps, but before that, you have to download and install the Binance Wallet app on your phone. So let's get started. First of all, open the Binance Wallet app on your phone. You will see a page like this. Then at the top, you can see that you have the option to sign up or log in. Click there. And then you will be taken to a page like this where you can see that you have the option to sign up with your phone number or your email or even with your Google account. Here I'm going to use my email, so click on the first option, that is sign up with phone or email. Then you will see that you have the option to create personal account with your email or your phone number. I'm going to use the email, so stick with the very page and enter your email. So next, create a password for yourself. And after you're done, you will have to click on I have read and agreed to Binance terms of service and policy. So when you click on the tick mark, it will turn yellow. So after that, click on create personal account. So in the next step, you will receive a verification code sent to the email that you just entered. So go ahead and check your email. So you will receive an email like this where you can see that there are 6-digit verification code. So you can simply copy and then paste, and then click on submit. Here you have now successfully created an account. So having a Binance account helps you to use all of its features, including the trade of the Bitcoins or even gaining interest on your cryptocurrencies. Thank you for watching till the end. I hope this video was helpful. Please give this video a big thumbs up.